Alright, what's up guys? I just set up this DJI mic, so it's not perfect yet, but the next video should be pretty dialed in. There's a few moments where the wind gets a little too much, but it's not too bad. Alright, what is up everyone? We are recording with the DJI. There's no wind right now, obviously, because I'm not on the bike yet. We're going to test it. I'm breathing kind of hard right now. We're going to test it with the visor up, visor down, and all that shit. Do a couple pulls maybe. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna adhesive magnet the microphone. But for now, I just want to see how the microphone sounds, see if it captures the bike's stuff and everything. If not, I might have to set up a second microphone, which would be a pain in the ass, but we'll see how it goes. It's pretty loud right here, so let's throw these gloves on. What the heck? Alright, let's go see what you sound like. Okay. Alright, we're gonna go get a thumbnail real quick. Let's do that first. We're going to need a new cool picture. See what we can do. Maybe a little bit more angled. This thing is so hard to move. Sir, can you please get out of the way so I can shoot this thumbnail? That's not bad. Right, so yeah, give you guys a little quick debriefing with what I'm working with right now. I think it sounds pretty good. Let me see if you can hear me. Hello. I'm not a very good YouTuber, so I'm just working with what I got. So obviously my R7, but what you're here for is my camera and microphone. So I have the DJI Action 5 Pro. The Action 6 just came out, but I'm not trying to spend all that money. So I got the 5, and then I was using a DJI Rode mic before, but now I'm using the DJI Mini wireless. I'll put like a image of what it looks like so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And there's a transmitter, there's a receiver. I think there's 2 receivers and 1 transmitter, or I have it backwards. And pretty much that lets you film on your phone or the DJI. You can connect the, I think it's the receiver, straight to the DJI. The DJI acts as the transmitter, I believe it is. That way you don't have to have that also plugged in. So it's like wireless, you know what I'm saying? I need to stop talking so much, I'm fucking running out of air. So right now, I just have the wireless setup, which is pretty freaking cool because it's not bulky or nothing. And I don't really have to stress it, right? So, and I'm gonna set up a better magnet mount after today because it's still not in the best position, but I'm gonna make it better, which will be cool. So let's go get some clips. Also, if it's not super dialed in, it's because, like I said, I gotta put that magnet on so that you don't hear so much wind. But soon enough, it'll be very good. That Corvette's cool as fuck. Dude, bikes have like the fucking worst turning radius ever. I swear.
The $5 big breakfast deal is back.
$5 big back breakfast is back. This bike does sound really good. It might be too loud for you guys right now with the way I have it set up. Spits flames once in a while. I don't know if you guys can hear my cargo music. I just now put it on, so I really hope you can. Let's see. See if this shows. I can't see. If you guys do hear, you're listening to country with your boy Tackmans. Gotta get in front of this guy for sure. Bro, my clutch, like, lets out really quick. I don't know if I like that. I kind of want to adjust that. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That shit sounds pretty good. I like your car, bro. It sounds good. Take care. Shit. Bro's distracting me. Let's go. Well, this is a little park. I'll show you around real quick. Little hotel here. A bunch of famous motherfuckers stayed there, I guess. Like Johnny Cash, which is pretty cool. It's a Sunday night right now, so there's not a whole lot going on. Jeez. Nice little pine trees, whatever they're called, palm trees. What is going on tonight, bro? The guy was just pointing at me. Willie hates to see me coming. Generated, boy. None of this is real. My microphone setup is real though, let me tell you. That shit's not cheap. Okay. Let's see if I can get it to do the thing. You guys ready? Hold on. I've never done this before. This is actually kind of funny. You ready? I guess it doesn't want to do any flames. I'm gonna fucking shoot myself. Sucks. Shit. All that for what? I swear those flames, dude. I swear. She's so scared because, like, I can't tell if you guys just fly away or not. I'm referring to you guys as the microphone, so this is a very paranoid video. But that's okay because at least it's a video. I don't care. I'm uploading everything. Watch it all, baby. Oh, no. Maybe it was too light over there. Maybe that's why I didn't want to shoot the flames. If you guys got a bike, do you got a certain route that you got that's always fun, or is it just me? Go, baby! There's water there all the time. Gotta be careful. Fucking Grim Reaper. But yeah, if you guys got any questions or even advice, actually, give it to me because I am trying to learn. Like I said, I got DJI 5 and then I got a the Mic Mini, the wireless little guy. It might be an old generation one, I'm not sure, but that's what it is. Hopefully I have the right setup now so I can finally focus on creating and not always tweaking with shit. Get yourself in a lot, go practice a little bit, it'll be good for you. Take your mind off things maybe too. Get real close with those circles, baby. That's the girl. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is gonna be even more dialed. Check out more content because I'm gonna be doing some cool shit here very shortly. All right, thanks guys. Peace.